Hello, everyone. My name is Tracy Curtis. Sorry you can't see me today. My video is not working correctly, but you can all see my screen. So today I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up your password, how to get into your Google Apps, and how to bookmark your Google account so that you can always easily find it. Okay, so first off, I'm in my email. I had to reset my password so that you guys could see, but you guys will get one that says, please set up your password. It won't say reset. So you're going to click on the blue button, which is then going to bring you somewhere to set up your password. And I am going to set one up. There it says change password, perfect. So now, so you can, if it comes up, you can see it where it says update. You can update if you want, or otherwise you can log out, either one. So I'm gonna log out because I want to show you how to get in based off of you've lost the thing and you don't know where to go. So you've filled out your email, your password, you have your username and your password now, but you've forgotten and you closed out of the email, and so now you can't figure out where to go. So what I want you to do is go to your web browser, so whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any web browser that you use, and in your search bar, I want you to type in Gmail sign in. Oops, maybe I could spell, that might help. Let's move my mouse, Gmail sign in. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to see that it comes up with different things. I always click the email-sign in Google accounts. So you click there, and it's going to bring you to your email that you just opened up. So to know if it's your email, so what you can do is let me just move this. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see a circle with your initial, and you can hover over it and it will show you your home hospice email. So you know you're in the right area. Now, what I want you to do from this page is bookmark your page. To do that, see, I've already bookmarked it. Sorry, everyone. To bookmark this, there's a little star here, and I want you to push on the star until it lights up. And then it's going to ask you, just like this, to enter your bookmarks. So you put HHA Classroom in here. And so then it's going to, I'm going to put it in my other bookmarks and then press done. So then you're going to be able to see it. So then when you click on your bookmarks, you can, for you, it should be in here. For me, I put it in other, so you can notice it's way at the bottom here. So now what I want to do is show you you've bookmarked it. So now anytime you come into your browser, you can click on the little star and all your bookmarks will open up, and you can always get back to this page. You're always going to go in wherever it is and click on HHA Classroom, and it's going to bring you back to this page. This page is the important page because from this page, you can then click on the 9 little dots. These 9 little dots are all your apps. So it brings you into everything. It brings you into your Gmail, which we're already in. It brings you to your Google Drive, where some instructors may put stuff in there and share it with you so you can go in there, or you have the opportunity as you're doing your homework to save it and put it in here. Then these are your Google Docs or Google Sheets. Google Sheets is kind of like Excel for Microsoft. Google Slide is PowerPoint, same thing. But these are what's compatible within the program. And so you can do your homework on here and then submit it. Google Calendar is where you can come and click. If they send you an email saying you have a class at a certain time or anything like that, then you can come in here and so then you can come in here and you can see on the days what day you have which something, right? Or you can add things in here as well. So if you want to make, you know, like if you want to go through the certification and make the assignments due dates, you can go on and add them there. Google Chat is just kind of like Messenger, like for Facebook, but this is anyone within your Gmail you can chat with, and then Google Meet is what you guys will be using during your weekend, your virtual weekend. So this is a very important one to know. Clicking on here, which then opens up, and then join or start a meet, and then you would just click on here. You can put your name, press continue, and then it'll bring you to where you're supposed to be. You can click join now, and then when the instructors come on, they will add you to the group. So there's Google Meet is one of your important ones. And then lastly, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, is your Google Classroom. And at the end of your certification, or even for your compassionate caregiving, you will get an invitation to join Classroom. So when you get that invitation and you click accept, and it disappears from your email, that's fine, you're okay. You just come back into here where you've bookmarked your email, you come up to the 9 little dots, you scroll all the way down to Classroom, and you click on Classroom. And then from here, you just pick your role, and as you can see, I haven't added myself to any classrooms yet. So I'm not, there's no classrooms in there, but this is where you would then see your compassionate caregiving modules, and then your certification modules. So that is a tutorial on how to get into your email, how to bookmark it, and then get into any of the other programs. I hope you all find this very helpful. And if at any time you need any more help, don't hesitate to contact me. And Mary Lee will send you my email within the email. Have a wonderful day and talk to you later. Bye.